Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving! So today I will be showing you how to create a Thanksgiving dinner. So I have chosen chicken for dinner. As you can see, I have grilled a whole chicken and I will show you the process step by step. So first we are adding oil. Next, we are adding soy sauce. And then tandoori masala. I will be adding 2 teaspoonful. And then breadcrumb. I will be taking 5 teaspoonful of breadcrumb since it's whole chicken. And then ketchup. And then cayenne pepper. Since I will be making it spicy grilled chicken, so I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of cayenne pepper. And then you guys know I love colors, so I will be adding 2 teaspoonful of paprika. And then 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. One teaspoon of garlic paste. 1 egg. Now I will be adding mint. And then mix everything properly. So now I will be taking 1 whole chicken. I have cut the whole chicken like this. So all the spices go between the meat, then it tastes better. I will be putting the marinated sauce inside the chicken. Just keep rotating the chicken so it gets seasoned everywhere, on every side. And also I will be putting 1 teaspoonful of garlic paste inside the chicken so it tastes better. And just spread it with the spoon inside the chicken. And also I will add 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste inside the chicken and also spread it with the spoon. And also I will be putting mint inside the chicken just for flavoring. Top of the chicken, and just refrigerate it whole night, and tomorrow we will grill our chicken. So after being marinated for 24 hours, the chicken looks like this. And now I will put the raw chicken into the skewer. And now I will put the chicken, or hang the chicken, inside the toaster oven. So the temperature will be 350 Fahrenheit and 175 Celsius. I will rotate this key to Rotisserie so the chicken moves, and the temperature will be, actually the timing will be 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, and you can see the chicken has started to rotate. So it's been an hour and the toaster oven has stopped already. So now we will check on the chicken. So now you can see my chicken is ready to serve. Hope my family will enjoy it, and hope you guys will enjoy it as well once you cook it in your home. So please, if you have liked my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share with your friends. Thank you.